At Outboost Media, we believe that building great companies goes beyond great products and service. It's great marketing that creates unforgettable experiences. The internet has transformed the world into a global marketplace, bringing you closer to your customers than ever before. But it's not just about being on the web anymore. It's more about having your presence felt online in the right place at the right time. There are over 3.5 billion searches conducted on Google daily, and of those, 82% are in-store shoppers searching online before they make a purchase. In fact, by 2018, more than half of the dollars spent in retail will be influenced by the web. Search engines are the primary method of navigation and discovery for most internet users, and SEO makes your brand more visible online to them. In fact, 50% of searches in Google are local in nature. To take advantage of this, do you have an optimized website that's highly visible to people searching online? Do you want your business to rank in the top 3 organic search results for specific keywords? Do you want to leverage the latest in social media marketing strategies to drive traffic to your website? If so, you need a company with a proven track record that can make your business objectives a reality. We are Outboost Media, and we make sure that your potential customers find you every time they search online. We have generated incredible results for our clients, and we'd love the opportunity to do the same for your business too. We are specialized in branding and logo design, web design and e-commerce integration, social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization. Call us now. We'll change your business forever. Or visit us online at www.outboostmedia.com for more information and to schedule a complimentary consultation.